Dr. Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Avante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to teach you how to use the Hypervolt for your shoulder. All right, so if you have shoulder pain, shoulder impingement, adhesive capsulitis, if you just have restriction in the shoulder, this would be a great strategy for you to use. Now, first of all, we need to know how to turn it on. The on button's at the bottom. And there's 3 different speeds. That's where you actually turn the speeds on. We're going to start with level 1. So for the shoulder, my left shoulder, if you take a look, it's a little bit restricted, right? So from here, what I want to do is I want to get right into my pec. And as I'm into my pec, I'm rolling my shoulders back. So I'm going to open up the pec, as well as the pec minor and the pec major. And I'm adding soft tissue mobilization with motion and the Hypervolt. Now, let me recheck now. Automatically, it's a little bit better. So I'm going to add a little bit more motion in through here to open it up. Perfect. Now, we're going to grab something. A doorway, preferably. Now from here, you want to come down like that, and you want to get right into the posterior rotator cuff, just like this. And you want to come down, apply the tension right into your posterior cuff, right down into the lat. Oh yeah. Now the next area is going to be really tricky because we've got to get to the front part of the shoulder, in through here, and you want to get kind of like in the anterior bicep or anterior deltoid area. Now from here, I'm going to come down, same concept. Good. Come down. Good. Now when I reassess my shoulder, that should be significantly better and it feels a lot better to me. If you want to learn more about how to apply these simple principles and concepts, please like, share, and also subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of education coming up. I look forward to working with you. Sempre Levante.